There's like a mouse in my kitchen. It's like the mouse is not moving. It's just right there. It's like the mouse. Hey, Mr. Jingles. It's not moving. It's not moving. Ugh. It's alive. It won't move. Hey, what are you doing? What the heck? Is there a mouse? Here, go wake up Mom. Mom. Oh my gosh, you need to come here now.
What?
Come here. Come here.
Come.
Come here now. Come here. It's like the Green Mile. Come here. Come here.
Why are you waking me
This
up?
is important.
Do you not think I work?
This will never happen again. Look, it's like a mouse right here, just chilling. It's like the mouse from Green Mile. It won't leave. I've been videotaping it.
Where is,
I don't want to kill it. This could be like a magic mouse. Should I pick it up?
No.
Would I have rabies? Rabies. Look at it, it's so cute. No, wait, Mom, here's videotape. I'm gonna pick it up.
Could we not, no. Could we not, yeah, I don't want like that videoed.
Oh, sorry.
There's a mouse.
Oh no, I should pick it up.